One of the great things that has happened the past few years for homeowners is that your equity has increased in your home. So if you purchased a home maybe in 2018 or 2019, and then we went through the unicorn years of real estate where values have increased, you might be able to lower your monthly mortgage payment without having to refinance. And you're probably sitting there going, now how does that work? Because I know interest rates are higher now than they used to be. If you put less than 20% down on your mortgage when you bought your home, you can probably get that mortgage insurance eliminated now. So when you put less than 20% down, the mortgage company is going to make you pay what's called mortgage insurance. And that's just an insurance policy for them in case you default on the loan because you put less than 20% down. So if you have gained enough equity since the time you purchased your house, you can call your mortgage company and say, hey, my home is worth whatever it's worth now. I need to get that mortgage insurance taken off. Now, they're probably going to ask you to pay for either a drive-by appraisal or a full appraisal. They may be able to run it through a desktop underwriter, which gives them a value that will either support or not support the value you're telling them that your house is worth. But it's definitely worth a phone call to your lender, because if you're paying $75 to $100 a month in mortgage insurance, that's a chunk of change that you could definitely use in your pocket to use what you want it for instead of having to pay it towards a mortgage payment. You could pay down your principal balance a lot quicker if you started applying that payment. Now, the caveat to that is if you did an FHA mortgage or a VA, they are not going to remove the mortgage insurance when you get below 80%. That only applies to conventional mortgages. Have you paid less than 20% down when you bought your house, maybe 4 or 5 years ago? Call your mortgage servicer, find out if you can get that mortgage insurance removed and help lower your monthly payment.